Hey everyone, get ready for some groundbreaking news that's about to shake up the financial world. For years, many folks saw crypto as the Wild West of finance, but not anymore. We're seeing a major shift, and it's all thanks to big players in the digital assets space getting ready to hit the traditional stock market. We're talking about initial public offerings, IPOs, that are blurring the lines between Wall Street and blockchain. Two names are dominating the conversation: Bullish and BitGo. These aren't just any companies. Their public listings could totally redefine crypto's future. Let's first talk about Bullish. This isn't their first rodeo. Bullish is a leading cryptocurrency exchange, and it's backed by the legendary tech billionaire Peter Thiel, known for his early investments in PayPal and Facebook. They recently filed paperwork to go public in the US and are looking to raise a massive sum. Bullish plans to offer over 20 million shares to the public, aiming to raise up to $629 million. This could value the entire company at around $4.2 billion. If you remember, they tried to go public back in 2021 with a much higher valuation target, but that plan fizzled out. Now they're back with a more realistic approach thanks to a recovering crypto market and more favorable regulations. What makes Bullish unique? Well, they're not just a trading platform. They also own CoinDesk, a major crypto news outlet. This gives them a powerful combination of market infrastructure and information. CEO Tom Farley, who used to be the president of the New York Stock Exchange, emphasizes that Bullish is all about compliance and transparency. They want to bridge the gap between the fast-paced crypto world and the disciplined world of traditional finance, attracting big institutional investors. Their financials show some ups and downs, reflecting the volatile crypto market. They reported a loss of about $349 million in the first 3 months of 2025, but they're projecting a strong recovery for the next quarter. Despite these swings, their trading volumes are surging, with a 78% increase in early 2025 compared to the year before. Big names like BlackRock and ARK Investment Management are already interested in buying shares, showing serious confidence in Bullish. Bullish plans to use the money raised from the IPO for a few key things: strengthening their financial standing, funding acquisitions, and expanding globally. Interestingly, they also plan to convert a significant chunk of the IPO proceeds into US dollar-backed stablecoins, showing their commitment to regulated digital assets. This aligns perfectly with the new Genius Act, which provides clear federal guidelines for stablecoins. Now, let's turn our attention to BitGo. This company is a pick-and-shovel play for the crypto industry. What does that mean? Instead of betting on individual cryptocurrencies, you're investing in the essential infrastructure that the entire industry relies on. BitGo is a digital asset custodian, which means they securely store and protect digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, for big financial institutions. BitGo currently has about $100 billion in crypto assets under their care, a significant jump from $60 billion at the start of the year. Their IPO comes at a time when the crypto market is soaring past a $4 trillion value, and institutional demand for secure digital asset storage is at all-time high. The Circle IPO, which saw its shares surge over 400% above its initial price, has certainly opened the door for other crypto firms like BitGo to go public. BitGo's services are crucial for mainstream adoption. They offer crypto-as-a-service solutions to companies entering the digital assets space, helping with everything from secure storage to global compliance. This is especially important as new regulations like the EU's MiCA framework come into play. Their decision to go public means they'll face intense scrutiny from US regulators, setting an unprecedented standard for transparency in the crypto custody sector. This could force less compliant firms to adapt or risk being left behind. The big picture here is that the line between traditional finance and blockchain finance is truly blurring. We're seeing a wave of crypto firms, including Grayscale, Gemini, Kraken, and OKX, eyeing public listings. These IPOs provide much-needed capital for growth, international expansion, and new products. For you, the investor, this means new ways to get exposure to the booming crypto economy without having to directly buy volatile digital currencies. It's a chance to invest in the underlying plumbing that makes the whole system work. This is more than just individual company news. It's a sign that crypto infrastructure is no longer a fringe idea, but a foundational part of the global financial system. It validates the critical role of digital asset services in bringing crypto to the mainstream. This new era demands vigilance, but it also presents tantalizing opportunities for a more transparent and resilient crypto market. So keep your eyes open. This shift is happening, and it's happening fast. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. See you next time.